A federal appeals court panel today upholds a law requiring the sale or ban of TikTok in the U.S.
TikTok's Chinese parent company ByteDance on Friday lost its bid to block a U.S. law that's set to ban the platform by January 19, 2025, unless the company agrees to sell TikTok to a U.S. buyer. The law in question, called Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary-Controlled Applications Act, identifies China and 3 other countries as foreign adversaries of the U.S. It prohibits their social media apps from being distributed in the country. TikTok and ByteDance argued that the law is unconstitutional and violates free speech rights, saying it had been singled out under false pretenses because data collection was not the government's real concern. The Justice Department said the app poses a serious threat to national security as it has access to the personal data of a large number of Americans and because Beijing can covertly manipulate the information Americans consume through TikTok. Senior Circuit Judge Douglas Ginsburg, writing the opinion for the 3-judge panel, said the parts of the law that were being challenged did not violate the First Amendment because there was a compelling government interest in blocking China from manipulating personal data rather than a desire to interfere with speech. However, Ginsburg wrote that potential content manipulation by the Chinese regime could infringe on Americans' First Amendment rights. The panel was persuaded that the Chinese Communist regime presented a national security threat, citing high-profile cases of Chinese state-backed cyber attack and cyber espionage campaigns. In a statement, TikTok indicated it would appeal the decision. Company spokesperson Michael Hughes said, quote, "The Supreme Court has an established historical record of protecting Americans' right to free speech, and we expect they will do just that on this important constitutional issue." He said the pending ban on TikTok will result in outright censorship of the American people. In a statement for the Justice Department, Attorney General Merrick Garland said, "Today's decision is an important step in blocking the Chinese government from weaponizing TikTok to collect sensitive information about millions of Americans and to undermine our national security." He added that the Justice Department was committed to protecting Americans' sensitive data from authoritarian regimes.